I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Can you all see my hair? That's like day 3 hair. And I'm like obsessed, you know. I'm doing the snail because the paint chipped off. I'm also watching Mean Girls. I was supposed to read, pero can't focus kapag like there's something na hindi pa nagagawa. Do you get it? Yeah, I'm just like fixing this nail. Just like literally one nail lang. Oh, I also made banana bread. I don't know, I just felt like it. Plus, there were like overripe bananas that I didn't want to waste. So yeah, because oh my gosh, I don't want to like wash this hair tomorrow because the volume is like, it looks so nice. But this looks nice. This is my natural hair. I haven't washed it in like 3 days. I woke up super late today. Nagising ako around like 3:30 ata. Mag-all-nighter ako. Because I know if I sleep, I'll sleep around like 4 and then I won't wake up. Hi guys. So, I'm getting ready. At practice. I'm like, I think I'm gonna be late. Hopefully not. I was reading and I think I got caught up in my reading. Wala rin ako makita eh. Wait lang, buksan ko. Guys.
Thanks.
Yeah, color my hair.
Yeah, thank,
Ganito lang? Ba't parang labo?
thank you for you, Han.
Oh, malabo rin sa akin. Kaya pala. I influenced Nika to watch Off Campus. Okay, next.
Narinig. Oo,
Parang gusto ko tutuloy gupitin. Gusto mo magupit ng buhok? Hey, hanggang dito yung kulay niya. But, yun. Thank you, Karin.
Akin na ang pambayad natin. Good boy. May sandaan pa yan.
Nag-vlog siya.
Nothing here.
and that they can get through the same problem again. An optimist sees problems, but also sees
Tagal sa preliminary lang naman ko. Papakain na tayo mga ano ba?
Ako rin naman nakabit. Boy, dessert boy. Dessert. Ivan.
Alam mo kung bakit hindi ka sumasabay? May SB ka kasi. Ah, bakit ako? Wala, hindi ka talaga eh. Ah, natawa! Natawa! Natawa!
Last day. Napanood niyo na yung The Devil Wears Prada? Grabe yung hang... Anong pongkis yan, be? Anong pongkis yan? Guys. Pengi balot! Yung balot may speaker, guys.
Lagi ang high-tech na ng Pilipinas ngayon. Okay, yun lang. Tama lang ako gagawin.
Naka-live siya, guys.
Ang daming gagawin. Kami LPU. Ay, full of girl siya. Paparating din siya sa I need like 5 of them. So cute. Ballpen.
Ito pala, hindi na tayo nagdala sa ballpen.
And speakers.
The key for Second Legacy page notes, so those are some of our advocacies. So as such, in our department, we also look at the environment. We have, different sustainability fairs. And next slide, please. Okay, that's pretty much it. So thank you for giving me your our cannabis community.
I want to go. Nag-translate na. Sobrang spontaneous. Ito lang yung spontaneous. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Sobrang spontaneous. Hindi ko alam kung Nerf gun talaga yan.
I bought a new book and it was supposed to be off campus, but I bought a new series, so yeah.
Nag-aaway na po sila. Ginamit ba? Gagi dami na, boy.
May flashlight. Ay, ito tayo. It's perfect. Towel.
Kumukuha kami ng towel. Oo.
Lagi na front cam.
Front ka?
Ay, back cam.
Siya.
Easy mag-vlog. Easy mag-vlog. Yeah!
Hindi siya na. TikTok siya. Starbucks sa may Pasig. Ortigas. It's Oronbo. Oronbo, guys. Capital Thomas. Clips to ah. Bakit? Bubake ka? Ah, sandwich. My bad. Nika. 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 Ah, gusto mo na? Bakit? Ha?
Nanonood tayo. Kasalanan ng website nila. Wala silang in-indicate kung saan yung screen. Hindi dapat medyo na. Mamadali rin tayo. Oo, kasi at least kami naka-online.
It's so hard. hard to decide the color, the style. Perfect for my craving of the moment. Can't believe there's 365 choices in one pizza.
Stage for all my biases? It's right here! What an unforgettable experience!
Firsts and more.
Pre, alam mo ang sama ng ugali mo. I'm just doing... Alam mo, hindi ko alam. What are you doing, man? Dry shampoo to? Be, hindi ka. Dito. Hindi ka pa gumagamit ng dry shampoo. Hindi pa. Ayun. Ano ba? Okay lang. Amay hotel? Gusto ko yung ano, yung kay Ashley. Yung nabiling... Ang bago ko. Magdadove na lang. Yeah, maganda yung dove. Pati yung sa Lux. Organic. Doon na lang. Wala mo, hindi talaga ako makaget over. Wala. Diba? Eh, nahihintay ko pa. Good luck. Good luck. Ingat na lang. Ingat. Ingat. Ingat ka. Ingat. Bye-bye.